Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to quickly talk about what is SERP ranking and I want to make it very short and simple and I do not want to go in depth. Now what is SERP? Search Engine Results page. So quickly I want to open a new tab and then I want to navigate to Google search engine page. And here we have to enter the keywords, right? Whatever that we are searching on the Google. Let's see what are the websites that will populate onto the top. Now I want to search for the keyword by iPhone 16 Pro Max and then I want to click on enter. Now as soon as I click on enter, we can see the very first website that populated is Apple. Now it is the search engine results page rank number 1. And I want to scroll down a little bit and here we can see the Apple rank number 2 and here we can see Chroma SERP rank number 3. I want to scroll down a little bit. Again we got the Apple rank number 4 and finally we got Amazon.in rank number 5. So whenever we search for any keyword on the Google search engine and whatever the websites that come onto the very top of the Google search engine results page, in the ascending order we can define the ranks of SERP, and that is what do I mean by SERP ranking. And in the last session we have talked about the page ranking, right? Always remember that the page ranking is completely different part and then the SERP ranking is completely different. A lot of people will get confused. They might think whatever the first website that we are seeing on the Google search engine results page can also be called as the page ranking. That is totally incorrect. Page ranking is different, SERP ranking is different. In the last session I have explained about what is page ranking. And in this session I have explained about what is SERP ranking. So in the next video I want to combine both of them and I want to give you a very clear picture about the difference between a page ranking and SERP ranking so that it will be very easy for you to understand and then you will never ever get confused in the differences of page ranking and SERP ranking. And if you have any questions related to SERP ranking, I want you to leave the comment right below this video and I will answer your question. And if anyone watching my channel for the very first time, you can find all the digital marketing classes on my digital marketing playlist on Edurself YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.